Hello guys, for the nuts unboxing. Yeah, we take the big box also. So, but apparently this box is defected or being crushed by something big or heavy. I'm hoping whatever I order or receive in this box is in good conditions. That's all. That's all. The box that doesn't matter. As long as the product is okay or the item need to be delivered is in good shape. Alright, now this part. Who's delivery? Okay. I need to mention the name of the courier. Maybe just a reminder for me in future. What are these? Oh yeah, I bought more newspaper. More pink newspaper. Yeah, still can be read. So this cannot be used for Shutterstock. It can be bad for editorial category, but yeah, it's good and it's cheap. Probably because I bought it on special day, something like that. This can be used for reading, fake reading, or I was planning to use this and the previous, where was it? The previous newspaper for background. I seen some shot that they will paste all the newspaper at the background as a concept. That's look cool and lit. So I want to try it out. So that's why I bought 4 of them. So which is all of them are the same. I'm not sure how big is this. So we can wait. If you guys want to see the result of the shoot or the video behind the scene, don't worry, I will post it. But click the like button and subscribe. Don't forget the bell button, so it will remind you guys whenever I post some new video and featuring a new tutorial, new unboxing, or new sharing. Alright, so this is the first stuff with the third box. So this one, not mistaken, this is a mirror that I ordered, but didn't expect this small. Oh yeah, we got it. I thought they didn't give you this. Alright. Yeah. Just come on. Yes, this tip protection. So this gonna put like this. Yes, so cool. You can put like this. So cool. I can use this for my product shot. I can't wait. I want to use mirrors, one of my concept to shoot commercial product. That is gonna look lit, but it's not easy to do. I think I'm gonna take the old acrylic, the shape acrylic. Is it gonna be like this? Because this one have protective layer, so we just need to pull it out and let's go. Yeah, let's see. Does it have the protective layer? Like tempered glass layer, maybe? I'm not really sure. It's hard to peel. Does it have it or not? Let's try to use scissors. If doesn't not have, I just ruining this clip prop. It does have. So I give it 9 out of 10. Yeah. Yes, that's the transparent one. I need to open it on the both side, and I need to think a way how to keep this in a good shape to avoid the scratch. Alright, that's all. Bye.